Hello everyone, Bagoyz here and welcome back to another video with another unbox and review. Oh. How's it going? Everything okay? Good to have a good great day every day with a smiling face, so smile a bit and keep continuing. In this video we are going to have an unboxing and reviewing the DJI Osmo Action. So let's open the box and see what do we have inside. These are the stuff which they were inside the box. This is a battery case. Ta-da, with battery. I like the battery case because as you see, there is a memory card place for carrying an extra memory card beside the battery. Or if your memory card is full, you can change and replace them. So you're not going to miss this small little tiny memory card. Around the battery, we have an orange rubbery gasket, as you see, for waterproofing. Then we have the USB-C cable. It is about 50 cm or 20 inch. After the USB cable, there are two different mounts: flat adhesive mount, curved adhesive mount. Flat mount for flat surfaces and curved one for curved surfaces. Quick release base for attach on the flat or curved mount. Bingo! Now they are locked in. For releasing it, just press this button and turn it side. Locking screw. Nice and handy. So easy to rotate. Yeah, nice. Oh, a screw here for using this screwdriver if you need it. Camera frame, which is made of plastic and easy to lock and unlock it. No hard pressure. That's a good one. And finally, the famous DJI Osmo Action is about 124 grams in 12 MB. Now after the unboxing, let's have a review on Osmo Action. Oh, by the way, if you have any idea or suggestion, please tell me in the comments down below. In front of the camera we have a small screen, very useful one, especially for vlogging. You can see yourself through to find the right position while filming or photography. This place is for cooling the Osmo Action system, especially when we're recording in 4K video. On top of the cooling system we have Osmo Action name and a small LED light, one in front, another on top of the camera. We can realize that your camera is on or off, or are we recording or not, by green and red light. And this is a lens cover. By unscrewing it we can see the main lens itself. So if your lens cover gets some scratch or any damages, you can buy a new one and replace it so easily. Well, I wish it never happened to anyone. At the bottom we have the battery place. Just put the battery in and push it in the both side. By unlocking the switch you can take out the battery. Remember, if you saw this orange on the side, your battery is not locked well. The camera works but it is not waterproofed yet. So press the battery till it locked. Now you have the waterproof camera up to 11 meters with more than an hour recording. On the top we have a power and display button. Press once to turn the camera on. With another click it is going to stand by. For shutting down the Osmo Action, just hold the button for a few seconds. This is the record button with the LCD beside. One on top of the camera, another in front. This small tiny hole here is the first microphone. The second microphone is in the left side beside the camera's speaker. I mean these very small holes. On the right side we have USB-C port and memory place. Let's load the memory in. And the camera support the memory card up to 256 GB. The last button is the quick selection. You know, video mode, photo mode, HDR, hyperlapse, time-lapse, and etc. By the way, this door can come off so easily for connecting external microphone or anything else, even charging while recording. I mean, like this. Let's put the charger. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. On the camera's frame, after the USB window, we have quick selection again, power button, record button, speaker, and microphone window. Our second microphone is in here under the camera's frame lock button, and this hole shows the LED light. On the back side, we have a big full screen. We can go to the main setting from top of the screen. Here we have voice control, wireless connection, and etc. Gallery is in the left side. Camera setting is in the right side. Photos and videos ISO range begin from 100 up to 3200. Shutter speed is up to 8000. So good. I like it. And we can manage resolution setting in downside of the screen. 4K 60 frame per second, 2.7K, 1080 up to 240 frame per second. Wow! And Rocksteady button on top corner to turn it on and off, which it is a camera's stabilization. Alright, let's go out of the studio for testing the Rocksteady or image stabilization. First, we're going to walk with Rocksteady's on and off side by side testing, then we will run. DJI Osmo Action. This is a great camera that can be with you in all your adventures, even in your pocket. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, right there. Subscribe the channel to see more videos. And like always, have a great shooty day.